Hello everyone, welcome back to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLog, I will be showing you how to add recovery email address in Gmail. So first thing is you need to do this in a Google browser. You cannot do these changes in the Gmail application on your phone device. So once you open the Google browser, click open new tab and there you open the gmail.com. And you need to get logged in into the account of yours. Now once you're logged in into the account, you tap on the setting icon over here on the top, right click that, then click on see all setting. Now once you're at the general section of the setting, you need to click on accounts and import. So in the accounts and import, you need to choose the option change password recovery option, click that. This will give you the security section of your Google account. And here you scroll down and you will have the option of how to sign in into Google. There you need to click on the recovery email option, click that. This will begin the adding of your recovery email for the Gmail account. Your recovery email is used to reach you in case we detect unusual activity in your account or you accidentally get logged out. So here in the your recovery email text box, you provide the email address as your secondary or the recovery email. Type in that email address over here, then click on next. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to that email address and you need to type in that code on the text box over here. So open the Gmail with the recovery email. So there's the Google verification code. Copy this code from here and you need to paste it on the verification box. Then click on verify. Recovery email verify. So this way you will be adding this as your recovery email. Now if you go back and click on change password and recovery option and scroll down, you will see the recovery email being added over here. So this is how you can add a recovery email in Gmail. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.